So this is Rapid Holding Systems showing you our RHS part number RHS-S9366. This one is our system 3R compatible pneumatic version macro standard chuck. The dimensions of this chuck is 110 millimeters by 110 millimeters. The center of hole to hole distance is 90 by 90, and the overall height of the chuck is 70 millimeters, like this height. And it's having the air connections on side, having the four holes for fixing screws. We manufactured this table chuck for the CNC grinding, milling, and electrode cutting applications. Great holding power and excellent quality. The accessories, spigot, and the switch is delivered with the chuck. Material of this chuck is stainless steel. It is rust resistant. If you have any questions, see us at www.rapidholdingsystems.com. We will be glad to help you. Thank you.